Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Lesson number 10, verbs. What is a verb? A verb is a word or a group of words that is used to denote an action, event, state of being, or possession. Underline the verbs in these sentences. First, Salman has a friend, George. Underline has. Second, they are happy. Underline are. Third, they play football in the afternoon. Underline play. Fourth, we bought an umbrella. Underline bought. Fifth, who can open this lock? Underline open. Are all the above verbs performing the same function? In the first sentence, the verb has tells us that Salman possesses a friend. In the second sentence, the verb are tells us their state of being, that is, they are happy. In the third sentence, the verb play tells us about the action they perform. Kinds of verbs. Verbs can be of different types based on their function and their structure. Main verbs. Main verbs are the primary verbs in a sentence. They show the actual action performed by the subject. They can be used by themselves in a sentence. Example, the nightingale sings sweetly. Then we have auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are verbs that are used before the main verb to show different tense forms and the person and number of the subjects. Example, Vipul is playing the violin. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are of two types, primary auxiliaries and modals. Now, what are primary auxiliary verbs? The verbs be, have, and do are called primary auxiliaries. These help the main verb show the number and person of its subject. These are also called helping verbs. Example, I am reading an interesting book. So the verb is am. Now, primary auxiliary verbs have different forms. Look at this table. The present tense of be is am, is, are. The past tense is was, were. Now we have the verb have. The present tense is has, have. And the past tense is had. Now we have the verb do. The present tense is does, do. Past tense is did. Children, remember, primary auxiliaries can also be used as main verbs in sentences. Example, I am happy. They have a car. He did his work today. Main verbs, they are regular and irregular verbs. So, depending on how they form their simple past and past participle forms, verbs can be divided into two groups, regular and irregular. What are regular verbs? Verbs that form their simple past or past participle forms by adding d or ed to the main verb are called regular verbs. Example, share, shared, care, cared. Now, what are irregular verbs? Verbs that form their past or past participle forms by changing their inside vowel or using different words are called irregular verbs. Example, sit, sat, go, went. Children, what have you learned from this lesson? First, verbs can be of two types based on their function, main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Main verbs are the primary verbs in a sentence and can be used by themselves. Auxiliary verbs are helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs can be of two types, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Verbs can be of two types based on their structure, regular and irregular. Regular verbs form their simple past and past participle forms by adding d or ed to the main verb. Irregular verbs form their simple past and past participle forms by changing their inside vowels or using different words.